Here we are, everybody. This is the South Tower Premium Suite, 1 king, non-smoking with an ocean view. And here's a really quick room tour. So I was supposed to get the executive room, but I got upgraded to this. So I'll show you what this is. So as you come in, you have your usual signboard telling you the rates of charges. Could be from $200 to $3,000. Not if it's comped. As you come in on your right, you have a closet. It's got an ironing board, luggage rack, iron, and a safe. And a bag for your laundry, if you have any. Next, let me take you quickly into the bathroom.
Who are you talking to?
You have a sink, a bunch of towels, laundry, or toiletries, sorry. Soap, lotion, conditioner. A nice painting on the wall. You have this beautiful toilet. Is it beautiful? I don't know. Another bar of soap. A walk-in shower, which is really nice. And it has the drain, nice shower head. So, oh, it looks like it adjusts. You can change the head nozzles. So that's nice. Extra roll of toilet paper. So this is the bathroom. Hope I'm not rushing and making anyone dizzy here. Next, we come out towards the bedroom portion of this suite. It's got a mirror, almost like a full-length mirror. So you can look at yourself if you choose. And on the other side, there's nothing really. Next, let's go into the bedroom portion of this room.
What? Don't take a picture of me. I don't want to be in a picture.
There's no picture. There's a painting on the wall here. Another one, pretty nice painting. It's got a dresser or nightstand on one side, nightstand on the other. Each has a lamp with charging ports, as you can see. USB type A and a standard plug. We've got a drawer here. Very nice drawer to hold your stuff. There's another one on the other side. Over there where my phone charger's plugged in, along with the room telephone. So that's pretty good. You also have this clock here. It's an old-fashioned one, so you'd think they might update that, being they did the rooms over a few years ago, but they didn't. So you also have here not one, but 2 TVs. You have one in front of the bed here.
There's one for me. Right?
With the coffee maker, coffee cups, your coffee toiletries. You've got 3 drawers. They're just to store stuff in. I never use them because I'm only here usually one night at a time. You have a mini fridge. I think that can store a lot of stuff, and it's cold, so that'll really chill your drinks down. Maybe even freeze them. Then you have extra storage on the left, just like you have on the right. And did I mention the huge TV? Here, I think this is like a 49-inch, probably about the size that's on my bedroom wall, if it's not the exact TV on my bedroom wall. Then you have ice bucket, cups. The bed in this tower is nicer than the one in the Havana. It's a thicker mattress. So if you want something a little thicker and flusher, South Tower's the way to go on that. You have your other drawer here.
What kind of charger is this?
Your room phone. If you need to make calls. Now let's take you into the living room portion of this. There's another TV on the wall. I think this one's bigger. So that's the living room TV. Pan around. That's the bedroom TV. I'm not sure which one's better or bigger. They could be the same, I don't know. You have a nice couch. You could easily sleep 1 or 2 kids on this or 1 adult on this if you need that extra space without getting a whole nother bed. You also have a little coffee table here, which is beautiful. You have an office table here with a chair if you want to obviously do your work and such. You also have a temperature control here, which was on low fan, but I'm gonna change it to high fan so that we feel more air blowing. And we have another lamp here.
I don't want to be in the
3
picture.
paintings on the wall. And last but not least, the ocean view. So the executive room I would have also had the ocean view. But this one they consider like a mini suite, differently than what I had. And it's not a corner room, but it did have the ocean view. So I will accept that. And look, you also got a view of the tables out there if you want to see them. The beach, a lot of people are on the beach today, especially because it's a free beach. Not too many of those in Jersey. So, hope you guys enjoyed. If you like it, hit the like button here and feel free to leave some comments below if you have any questions that I may be able to answer for you.